Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Yes, my people, True Jamaican Vibes. Right now I'm in Newell, St. Elizabeth. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So enjoy the ride. Newell, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I are so nice, you know. So as you can see today, it's a sunny day. Very hot day in Newell, St. Elizabeth. So yes, my people, we are driving in Newell, St. Elizabeth. So you're gonna be careful for those bike riders because it's a busy road with bike. Yes, my people, so enjoy the bumpy ride. As you can see, the road condition, so you're gonna have a little bumpy ride. So yes, my people, all the people who go to Newell High School, big up on yourself. So thanks for watching my channel. So the left turn would be Geneva Primary School. So in a few minutes we're gonna approach Newell High School and we're just passing the Newell Clinic. Take a look my people. Yeah man, True Jamaican Vibes, and also the Newell High School. So it's a bumpy ride my people because of the road condition. Yes, my people, so right now we're gonna approach Watchwell, St. Elizabeth. So we're gonna make a right turn. So we're now in Watchwell, St. Elizabeth. Yes, my people, welcome to Watchwell. So big up there now on the bike. Catch you. Catch you. So yes, my people, thanks for watching my channel. Yeah man, big up. Real Jamaican vibes. So we're on the countryside in St. Elizabeth, Watchwell. Nice view, my people, of St. Elizabeth. So when you come to Jamaica, you're visiting this side, you know where to go. So Fire Reid, your tour guide. So it look a bit overcast in Santa Cruz side right now, but I'm in Watchwell St. Elizabeth. As you can see in the skies, a bit dark. Look at the hills, my people. So we are at the Success Housing Scheme. So yes, my people, thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. Like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Bless up my people, one love, one heart. Peace and out.